rounding off. Okay, now what is this? See, when we take any observation, like as I told you, for example, we are using a stopwatch and we're taking multiple observations, like 100 or thousands, and we're recording in like what long time, in like 3 hours or something like this. Then we're adding all of them, right? And sometimes what happens is that the number, it comes out to be very long. Like for example, uh, let us take another example. Like uh, rounding off we basically use for convenience purpose. Convenience means for our simplification. Like for example, if I'm adding a lot of numbers, multiple numbers, and they are very big, like 6.789 plus 6.89, something like this. Right. So for our convenience, what we do is we round off the numbers so that it becomes convenient for us to work with those numbers when we're doing practicals. Okay. So let us understand the rules for rounding off so that the things become simpler and easier for us. Okay. Let us see that. Let us look at the first one. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, okay, the preceding digit is increased by 1. So let us assume that you have a number like 6.87. Okay, so what we will do is, first of all, we will look at the last digit, and it is 7. If the last digit is greater than 5, then in that case, the preceding digit to the last digit, it will be added by 1. So in this case, the preceding digit is 8, and this will be added by 1. Why 1? Because the last digit is more than 5. So this answer will come out to be 6.9. So this is the way we round off the digits. Okay. Let us look at second one. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, the preceding digit is left unchanged. Okay. So again, we will take an example like 6.84. Now in this, the last digit is how much? 4. Clear? And it is less than 5. Okay. So the preceding digit to this last digit will remain unchanged. So you will not change it. Okay. And this will come out to be 6.8. Okay. So there are two rules. If the last digit is more than 5, then add the preceding digit by 1. Okay. And if the digit is less than 5, then keep it as it is. The preceding digit, keep it as it is. So it is 6.8 over here. And the third one is, if the last digit is 5, like you see a lot of observations. So if the last digit is 5, then what we have to do? So we have two rules in that case. And what are those two rules? Let us understand it. Okay, let's understand the two rules. And the first rule is, if the preceding digit is even, it is left unchanged. Okay, what is this? We understand this. What do we mean by this? See, for example, we have a number like 4.25. In this, the 5 is the last digit over here, and so first of all, when we have 5 over here, in that case, what we will do? We will look at the preceding digit to this 5. Okay, if it is even, then this digit will remain unchanged. And if this digit is odd, then you have to add 1 to this digit. So here you can see that I have written 4.25, right? And 2 is an even digit. Yes. So in this case, what will be the answer? The answer will be 4.2. Why is it 4.2? Because 2 is even. So this will remain unchanged. 2 will remain unchanged. Clear? And if this would have been a different one, for example, if I have something like this, see this. So if I write 4.35, now in this case, what will be the answer? So first of all, we have to look at the last digit. If it is 5, then only this rule will be applicable, right? And if the preceding digit to this last digit is 3 or an odd number like 7, 9 or any odd digit, then you have to add 1 to this.
Like and subscribe to my channel.